Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel Stocks Current Affairs, where I discuss potential stocks for long-term investments. In this video, I'll share insights about a stock that is a global provider of visa, passport, consular and citizen services for various governments around the world. BLS International Services. Founded in 2005 and part of the Delhi-based BLS Group, the company is a global technology-enabled services partner for governments and citizens, with an unrivaled reputation for setting industry standards in visa, passport, consular, e-governance, attestation, biometric, e-visa, and retail services. The company is a valued partner for embassies and governments all over the world. The company also provides citizen services to states and provincial governments in Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, and the Middle East. For visa processing, the company has formed partnership with Indian missions, Spanish missions, Italian missions, Philippine missions, and Brazilian missions in various countries. In 2005, the Portuguese embassy in New Delhi awarded the company its first contract for visa processing services. Since then, the company has expanded its services and operation to 64 countries. Let's understand the services offered. BLS International is known for providing one-stop solutions such as visa processing, comprehensive service range that secures the management of visa applications as well as the issuance of visas, e-visas, and resident permits. The company offers outsourced visa processing, document verification and attestation, passport services, e-visa solutions, and related services through visa application centers outfitted with customer-facing digital technologies. Consular services. The BLS serves as a responsible intermediary for client governments offering consular services such as passport application acceptance, passport and travel document replacement, national identification cards, consular appointments, citizenship renunciation, notary services, and document witnessing and authentication. E-visas. The company's e-visa solution allows visa applicants to apply online by submitting their information to the company's Visa Application Center's database management system. This enables government to issue electronic visas, accept online payments such as credit and debit cards, and send a confirmation letter via email or print. E-governance. The company operates Citizen Services Center (CSC) that provides a range of essential services including birth and death certificates, property registration, and other records. These services are provided in a transparently accountable manner using state-of-the-art technology to secure sensitive citizen data and personal details. The company is responsible for operating, maintaining, and managing these centers to ensure efficient and timely service delivery while minimizing the need for customer engagement or intermediaries. Biometric and identity management. Through the unique integration of systems, solutions, and services, the company provides identity management solutions around the world. Its services include registration, assisted application, biometric identity assurance solution, document management, video conferencing, authentication, and reporting. The services improve national security and reduce identity fraud. They improve decision making, effectiveness, risk management, efficiency, and service delivery. Verification and attestation services. The company has been appointed as provider of apostille and attestation services for multiple governments in India and around the world, assisting them in administrative functions. The services include accepting documents from individuals and government representatives, while also providing timely and authentic ministry attestation apostille services. Value-added services. The company offers value-added services tailored to the mission's requirement in various countries. The services can be customized and accessible to those who visit the visa application centers. The company offers a unique, premium, and hassle-free experience where value-added staff assists applicants in form filling and other application processes. Furthermore, its platinum services provides applicants personalized service that eliminates the need to visit visa application centers. Now let's understand its stock price and key financials. The stock is in small cap segment with market cap of Rs 10,191 crore with a stock PE of 42.6. Both ROCE and ROE are in double digits with 31.6% and 29.5%. Sales, operating profit, and net profit are all increasing at a CAGR of 78%, 133%, and 102% respectively during the period March 2021 to March 2023. OPM percent, that is operating profit margin percent, has also increased YOY from 9% in March 2021 to 15% in March 2023. Reserves are growing, which is a great sign. Borrowings, especially long-term borrowings, are approximately zero, while short-term borrowings are fluctuating mainly to fulfill their working capital needs. As of September 2023, promoters held the highest stake of 71.52% stake, followed by public with 20.49% stake. FIS held 7.66% stake, slightly lesser than last quarter. DIS increased their stake marginally from quarter on quarter, showing that their interest in the stock is maintained. Hi viewers, I put a lot of effort to prepare these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me to prepare more such content. Do leave your comments and let me know what you liked about this video. Key growth prospects. Global tourism industry overview. The significant increase in the sector's contribution to global GDP as well as increase in international tourist arrivals are encouraging signs for the industry's future prospects. Over the next decade, the global tourism industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 5%. By 2032, it is estimated to be valued at $17.1 trillion, indicating sustained expansion in the sector. While more than 900 million tourists traveled internationally in 2022, the number is still only 63% of the pre-pandemic level. However, the recovery is expected to continue in 2023, with international tourists' arrival expected to return to pre-pandemic levels of 80 to 95%. Overall, the tourism sector's resilience and projected growth rates are positive indicators for global economy, as tourism drives economic activity, job creation, and cultural exchange across borders. Visa consular services industry. The global visa services industry is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2028, growing at a CAGR of 14.32% during the period 2022 to 2028. This rapid growth reflects the increasing demand for visa services as international travel resumes. Tourist visas accounted for the majority of market share in 2021, and it is expected to grow further in post-COVID-19 period, reaching $7 billion by 2028, with revised CAGR of 15.6%. As of 2021, the China's visa service market was valued at $104.4 million. The North American visa service market was valued at $434.9 million, and the European visa service market was valued at $1.4 billion. These regional markets account for a significant portion of the global visa service industry. The Chinese visa service market is expected to grow significantly with a market share of 11.25% by 2028. In 2022, the number of foreign tourists visiting India increased to 6.19 million, more than 4 times the previous year's figure of 1.52 million. This increase in foreign visitors to India indicate that country's tourism industry is on the increase. The expansion of global visa service market as well as increase in foreign tourists visiting countries such as India indicate a positive trend in tourism and travel sector. As the world recovers from the pandemic effects, international travel is expected to resume, contributing to the growth of the visa service market. Furthermore, China's rapid growth in this sector reflects the country's growing importance as a major player in international tourism. Growing global e-governance market. The global e-governance market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 12% to $45.76 billion by 2026. This reflects the growing usage of e-governance solutions by governments around the world. North America dominates the global e-governance market due to the region's emphasis on effective solutions, technological advancements, and data regulatory compliance. Governments are turning to outsourcing e-governance services to gain access to external expertise, provide services at a lower cost, and overcome challenges such as limited financial resources and a shortage of qualified IT personnel. Key drivers influencing this include the rise of digital economy and globalization has resulted in an increase in number of people with digital identities, necessitating the development of data governance frameworks and data-centric e-government strategies. Governments strive to provide seamless services to citizens and to meet their expectations for timely and convenient interaction, which can be accomplished by streamlining procedures and privatizing e-governance services. Citizens expect 24/7 access to services, quick resolution of issues, and advanced online services. E-governance is critical to the meeting these expectations and improving citizens' interaction with the government. Overall, the need for digitization, efficient service delivery, and meeting citizens' evolving expectation drives the e-governance market. As government continues to invest in R&D to improve e-governance solution, the market is expected to grow steadily in the coming years. In India, e-governance is rapidly evolving to meet the growing demand for digital services while also improving the efficiency and transparency of government operations. The country's large population and increasing internet penetration make e-governance initiative crucial for providing convenience and accessible services to citizens. India e-governance initiatives such as Digital India Program, National Portal of India Aadhaar, biometric identification systems, online tax filing, and payment digital land management systems have the main objective of simplifying governance, increasing transparency and accountability, reducing corruption, and providing speedy administration of services and information to citizens and businesses. Indian governments are increasingly collaborating with private sector organizations to improve the quality of responsiveness of public services. Outsourcing e-governance services allows governments to respond to changing policy context while also saving money and improving service delivery, particularly in remote areas. As e-governance advances in India, strategic partnership with private sector organizations and the adoption of technology-driven solutions will be critical to meeting citizens' needs and providing efficient and transparent governance. Business correspondence. Financial inclusion plans have emerged as a systematic approach for financial institutions to achieve sustainable improvement in financial inclusions. These plans document the progress of banks in expanding their services and reaching underserved and unbanked population. The business correspondent model has been a significant contributor to financial inclusion efforts, allowing banks to extend their services through retail agents in locations other than traditional bank branches. The business correspondent model is driven by regulators and aims to promote job creation in addition to providing financial services through branchless banking, aligning with national agenda. The business correspondents offers a range of services including small savings accounts, cash in, cash out, remittance, microinsurance, pensions, debt recovery, and direct subsidies to citizens through various government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Banks are expected to strengthen their BC models even more in order to broaden their operational reach and promote financial inclusion. Correspondence banking partnerships are critical in this context because they allow banks to access financial services in multiple locations and offer a variety of payment options to customers who do not have traditional bank accounts. Overall, the combination of FIPs, the BC model, and correspondent banking partnerships play a critical role in advancing financial inclusions in India and promoting economic development by providing previous underserved populations with access to financial services. In March 2023, BLS eService, a subsidiary of BLS International, acquired additional equity shares of Zero Mass ZMPL from its existing shareholders by means of share transfer agreement. Post this acquisition, BLS eServices is holding aggregate of 90.942% stake of the paid up equity shares capital of ZMPL. ZMPL has been operating as the largest business correspondent network for State Bank of India with around 11,500 active customer service points, approximately 15% of all the SBI BCs. The company has a pan-India presence with customer service points located across all states and union territories of India. Apart from SBI, ZMPL has contracts with Utkal Grameen Bank and Karur Vysya Bank. It recorded turnover of Rs 161 crores in FY 2021-22. This acquisition will help BLS International strengthen its business correspondence segment, opening new sources of revenue. Conclusion. BLS International is in the small cap segment with experience in serving government clients within the India and abroad. Future prospects seem rewarding as the company plans to expand from visa processing, e-governance to business corresponding services. This is a quite risky stock and people with higher risk appetite can keep this stock in their radar. This stock is down by 16% in past 3 months, but up by 37.5% in past 6 months. If you like the video, share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel for more such updates, and I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.